Booty just picked up my shades and put them on my face, cause I'm getting ready to get on this stage, nigga, and rap in front of 50 Billy fans, nigga. And I told them I was just out in the rain with my nigga. We ran past to the garage cause we were looking for some change, nigga, and a few cigars, cause we just gotta keep the running on. And niggas talk a lot about us, what it's so never gonna be the same. Quota for the budget, got the mommy with the space. Booty niggas tryna get me down, it's too many honey. Still feel the sun, the drizzle op me like as honey. And niggas talk my money, I don't even got think. Gooi I'm stuck in a Daniel E class. Niggas tryna get me down, I'm stuck with all these fucking squares. Double B away, hekke so be treffers. Niggas they talk about me, but I keep on spitting reckless. Vergoed about me en ek mix die beter samen met my mommy. De dus en ons is mannetjie die sap op 100 man het thuis, zai. Te veel is aan het en mommies just rocking uit, zai. More than just what they've ever seen, cause it range, zai. Te veel is aan het trying to kry me, Jonna never been the same. Ek sê hoe kon ek sê, as double be me brace, zai. Here the game, never gonna be the same. Maar good money from the bottom to the top, the yellow same, they get the lege face. Never been the same, my bratsie, die zijn nieuwe steeds. Ek is met my black shades, double by. So gemoere drip af by my face thuis. Ek het nog die tyd, nee. Talk about me like you got them treffers with them dollars, hey. We gonna make it bigger, forgot about me, yeah. I'm doing this for my youngins, my bratsie what the see. Niggas talk about me, beers thuis. Niggas tryna get it, my. Ons het nog die tyd, nee. Straight into the stars, hey.